that smaller one is the greater and greater one is the smaller. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, you have to take the LCM and then just do the denominators equal and then solve the question. Okay, here also first of all convert it into positive denominator, then follow the question. Okay, here also these questions I'm not going to do now because these are same, and I hope you understand it. If you don't, then you can ask me again in your doubts. Okay, after the class you can ask me, I'll just again explain you. Now fill in the blanks with the correct symbol, greater than, equals to and less than. Okay, so minus 3 by 7, same question, just you have to put the sign. Okay, one question I'll do it for you. Here 5 by minus 13, then minus 35 by 91. So same, 5 into minus 1 upon minus 13 into minus 1, minus 35 by 91. So here minus 5 by 13 minus 35 by 91. So LCM is 91. Okay, so minus 5 into 13 into 7 upon 13 into 7, minus 35 by 91, minus 35 by 91, minus 35 by 91. So equal. Clear? Very easy. Here, now next question is, arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. What we have to do? We have to do in the ascending order. Do I have to tell you that what is ascending order? Huh? Should I? Okay, chalo, no problem. Ascending order. Means smallest to greatest. Clear? And descending is opposite. Greatest to smallest. Clear? So now first question, comparison only. So how we will do it? Question number 8, first part. Only first part I am going to do it. Okay? Because the exercise is very easy and I hope you all will do it after solving same type of questions many times. Because from question number 5, the type of questions is same only. You have to compare in every question, right? So I can hope from you all, intelligent students, So here 4 by minus 9, minus 5 by 12, 7 by minus 18, minus 2 by 3. Now see it very very carefully. अगर अभी तक किसी को समझ में नहीं आया है ना, so just see it very clearly and try to understand it. 4 by minus 9, first of all, wherever the denominator is negative, just change it into positive. Okay, so 4 by minus 9, 4 into minus 1 upon minus 9 into minus 1 is equals to minus 4 by 9, minus 5 by 12, 7 multiply by minus 1 upon minus 18 into minus 1 is equals to minus 7 upon 18, minus 2 by 3. Okay, so now we have to take out the LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3. 9, 12, 18, 3. 2 9s are 2 6s are 2 9s are 2 3. 2 9 3 9 3 3 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 1 3 1 1 1 1. Okay, so LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 4 into 9 is equals to 36. So we have to arrange it like it. Like we have to do the denominators is equals to 36. So minus 4 by 9 multiply by 4 is equals to minus 16 by 36. Then minus 5 multiply by 3 by 12 into 3 is equals to minus 15 by 36. Then next is 7 by minus 18, no, minus 7 by 18 multiply by 2 is equals to minus 14 by 36. Last, minus 2 into 12 by 3 into 12 is equals to minus 24 by 36. All are of minus only, है ना? So in minus, what I told you, that smaller one is the largest one and largest one is the smallest one. Okay, so how we will write? See here, we'll write like this. Which is the smallest one here? Which is the smallest one? Largest one is the smallest one in negative, na? So minus 24 by 36. Then minus 16 by 36. Then minus 15 by 36. Then minus 14 by 36. Clear? Then we will write the original numbers. So first one was minus 2 by 3, 4 by original number minus 9. Then minus 15 by 36 is minus 5 by 12. Then last one is minus 7 by minus 18. Clear? Understood? Okay. So now next question. All three parts. You will do it now? Okay. Now ninth one. Just remember, wherever you see the negative denominator, just change it into the positive denominator, then proceed to the next step. Don't skip that step of changing into positive denominator. It is very important. Now, arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. Descending order, I told you that what is descending order? From greatest to smallest or largest to smallest. Okay. So, ninth one, last question. The last one, true or false, this you will do. Don't see the answers. Okay. So here, arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. Descending order we have to do. So which one should I do? Okay, third one. Huh? Minus 5 by 6, minus 7 by 12, minus 13 by 18, minus 23 by minus 24. So see here what I told you. First of all, the very first step is to change negative denominator into positive denominator. So minus 5 by 6, then minus 7 by 12, minus 13 by 18, 23 by minus 24. Okay. Here multiply minus 1, multiply minus 1. So minus 23 by 24. Clear? Now what will be the LCM? Very easy. 72. So minus 5 by 6. You can calculate it. You can find it out the LCM like this. Okay. I don't want to waste time. That's why I am telling you about directly. The LCM will be 72. So 12 6 72. Multiply by 12. Multiply by 12 is equals to minus 60 by 72. Then minus 7 into 6 upon 12 into 6 is equals to minus 42 by 72. Then minus 23 multiply by 3 by 24 into 3 is equals to minus 69 by 72. Same we have to do. One thing I skipped, I think. 1 minus 13 by 18 multiply by 4 multiply by 4 is equals to minus 52 by 72. Okay, so here the first one, which is the largest one, tell me, think, which is the largest one? The largest one is the smallest one, so minus 42 by 72. Then next one, minus 52 by 72, then minus 60 by 72, then minus 69 by 72. Real numbers will be minus 7 by 12, greater than minus 13 by 18, greater than minus 5 by 6, greater than 23 by minus 24. It is the answer. Okay, so we have completed our first exercise. This is the first video and it is little long, so no problem. Next videos are, as you know, this is mathematics and we have to cover the syllabus, so we will try. I'll try to make smaller videos, but this is the first video and explanation was required, introduction was required, so I have completed this. Now just homework, do it accordingly, and let's meet on our time. Okay, goodbye, take care.